Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mom.
Eat your breakfast.
I am not hungry.
I am not hungry.
Is everything okay? I want some time alone. Jack, where are you going? I just want to think. Please come back soon. Maybe I should leave for one day. I need some quiet. Mom, Jack went to the train station.
What?
Let's go now.
Jack!
We are here!
Please answer us. No, Mark, Jack. They came for me. They really care.
We were worried.
I'm sorry.
We love you.
Let's go home together. Thank you for coming.
Family stays together.
We always help each other.
I am happy. Home is the best place.
We love you.
Tomorrow is a new day.
We are together.